Ever wondered what happens to your plastic waste after you've tossed it in the bin? Today we're going behind the scenes at White's Group manufacturing facility to see exactly how your waste is transformed into high quality, sustainable products. So let's go inside and take a look. This is where Jack Matrix comes to life, turning waste into something new and useful. Right now we're on the floor where the magic happens.
We're delighted to have the opportunity to revive Australian manufacturing with the Matrix range. And we're also supporting Australian producers of recycled plastic and ensuring that our products are sustainable and reusing waste rather than sending it to landfill.
We're incredibly proud to have been in operation for well over 50 years now, and this investment marks a significant moment in our history as we transition from not just being an Australian family-owned operation, but also to one that now produces truly Australian-made products.
As a business, we see sustainability as being good for the environment, but also making good business sense in that we're using solar energy for most of our production, and we're also using recycled product that takes plastic out of the current economy and puts it into a product that is useful for everyday use.
From sorting and shredding to melting and moulding, every step is designed with efficiency in mind and to minimise waste. Let's take a closer look at the transformation process.
Well, the raw material we purchase in from a recycler, so it comes in bulk bags, and then we vacuum load it up into the machine into what we call a storage hopper. And then the material goes down from the storage hopper into the barrel and screw, and then the valve shuts as the screw starts to go forward, hence the word injection. It's like an injection in your arm. The malted plastic gets pushed into the mould. The parts come down the conveyor to him. He just trims them, does what he has to do, puts them on the pallet, and they go away. When we started the machine, this had all dribbled out. So we actually picked all this up and we take it, follow me. And we put it in the big bag here. And in this big bag, when it's full, we send it back to the recycler who chop it all up, melt it down, and bring it back to us in beads again. So the wastage is very minimal.
We believe that we have the widest range of screens and lattice products in the world, so that with a new facility, we believe will be competitive in any part of the world, and we're finding that many parts of the world are finding these products valuable for them.
Australia is home to some incredible innovation, and Jack Matrix is proof of that. Proudly Australian made and owned, every Jack Matrix product is produced right here, supporting local jobs, communities and industries by transforming discarded plastic into beautifully designed, durable products. Jack Matrix demonstrates how sustainability and manufacturing can go hand in hand. They're part of the growing recycling sector, driving change one product at a time. When you choose Australian made, you're choosing more than just quality. You're backing ethical practices, higher safety standards, and the commitment to protecting our planet. Jack Matrix is proudly leading the way towards a cleaner, greener future. And the best part is that it's just the beginning.